Hi, my name is Palak.
My name is Priyanshu.
I am Riya.
My name is Avantika and I am from École Intuit Lab New Delhi.
As a part of our international workshop, we've been to two cities, Marseille and Paris. It was our first international trip.
So we had a packaging design project in Marseille.
As a part of that, we had to do a label design for Pastis, which is a star anise-based gym.
We had a really great faculty, Lord who was super friendly and really nice. He was very experienced. He made us go beyond the classroom and explore the city, work on the references, and then bring it back to the class to work on the design project. We worked in teams, we worked individually.
We went to the factory in Marseille where we got to look at how pasties was made and produced. Also, we got to have a chat with the owner and find out the brand history and insights into the brand that were also very helpful for our design process.
So not only he made us do the design process, but also the presentation, how do we speak, how do we explain our concepts, and how do we present our design to the client. It was not just about the design, but also about how we communicate the design.
The teachers in École Intuit Lab Marseille were so nice and kind and patient. And the other students took with us wherever we were doing our work and all, and even guided us throughout the process, which made us grow as well as help us do the work more easily.
Overall, it was a really nice experience, especially in terms of learning.
Got an opportunity to interact with many people.
Got to interact with other students from other campuses.
Apart from the classroom experience, we went to a trip to an island over there, which was amazing. It was very cold, but it was super fun. We used to work all day long, and then we go out to the city and then explore the Christmas market. It was really, really nice.
We went on Christmas Eve. Overall, Marseille was beautifully decorated with Christmas lights and Christmas trees. And after that, we went to Paris.
In Paris, we got to visit the Louvre Museum, the Eiffel Tower, of course. And since it was Christmas time, we also got to visit the Christmas markets and see all of the decorations.
It was a really holistic experience. We enjoyed it a lot, and I would say that anyone who's coming to École should go to this trip and have this experience, because this opportunity doesn't come every day.